Hi, are you looking to get the most out of your internet? Here are 5 practical tips that may help you extend your Wi-Fi coverage and improve connectivity throughout your home. Number 1. Move your router. Your Wi-Fi router's location plays a pivotal role in determining signal strength, coverage, and speeds. For the best results, position your router in an elevated central location, away from thick walls, electronic appliances, or reflective surfaces, which can all interfere with the signal. Number 2. Upgrade your router. If your router is a few years old, it may lack the latest technology and features. To get the most out of your connection, consider upgrading to a newer model with more advanced capabilities and support for the latest Wi-Fi standards, like the Euro 7. Check out our website for more. Number 3. Invest in an additional Wi-Fi mesh device or range extender. A mesh Wi-Fi system is designed to enhance your internet coverage, especially in a large or multi-story home. By adding more Wi-Fi points, they help deliver strong, consistent Wi-Fi throughout your entire home. Swoop customers can purchase up to 3 Euro 7 devices if they need that extra coverage. Number 4. Try a wired access point. Wired access points can connect directly to a router or switch via an Ethernet cable, providing a reliable high-speed link. You can also connect Euros together with Ethernet for even more reliable coverage. Number 5. Optimize Wi-Fi settings. Fine-tuning settings such as band selection, channel selection, and security configuration can ensure that your Wi-Fi signal is operating at its fastest and safest. If you need help optimizing your Swoop service, don't hesitate to give us a call. If all else fails, it may be time to upgrade your internet service. Swoop has proudly launched with Australia's newest NBN speed upgrades, bringing faster, more reliable internet to eligible homes and businesses across the country. Scan the QR code on screen or head to our website to learn more about your upgrade options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow us for tips, updates, and support.